tuwing sinag ng araw sa silangan. Ilog ng mga ulap, hinihipan ng hangin, uni ng mga ibon, naglalakbay sa himpapawid. Kay sarap mabuhay sa ilalim ng nag-iisang mundong makulay. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit, kay raming dahilan upang magdiwang tayo ay...
Welcome to Mati City, a beautiful and lively place in Davao Oriental.
As the sun rises over the Philippine Sea, it lights up a land full of natural beauty and rich history.
From the clear waters and great surfing waves of the Hican Beach to the green hills around our busy city center,
Mati City is a place where every corner has a traditions, community, and progress.
Today's episode, we're bringing you to the standing tall and proud in the heart of Mati, the Pylon. The Pylon is more than just a landmark. Designed by the first Filipino national artist for architecture, Juan Felipe de Jesus Nakpil. In 1979, it marks the zero-point reference of the city.
This iconic structure has been a symbol of our community's resilience and faith in a responsive government of Mati for so many decades.
Recently, the pylon underwent a significant rehabilitation, preserving its historical essence while enhancing its grandeur. This restoration was completed in 2019, revitalizing a beloved symbol for future generations.
Tingog gud kayo diri like pag-ingon pa lang na Mati City aside sa amihan sa dahikan of sleeping dinosaur, kani ang pylon is isa siya sa mga nailhan na sikat as a local landmark diri sa syudad sa Mati.
So ang pylon, dugay nagiti siya. Kay katong mga bata pa mi, diri mi nagdadula-dap kita. Kaya
Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit, kay raming dahilan.
The Pylon isn't just a monument. It's a gathering place for our community, a focal point during celebrations, and a beacon of pride for the people of Mati.
Sumasayaw ang langit, kay raming dahilan.
Come experience the spirit of Mati City, where every visit is a journey through history, culture, and community.
Come and join us on the next episode of
Lakbay!